My video guide is about removing our pop-up windows by the site totalnicenews.com. Totalnicenews.com is a dangerous site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. Totalnicenews.com tries to make you click on allow, supposedly to help you watch some video. But if you mistakenly click on allow, your browser gets hijacked and infected with many intrusive ads. So you need to do something to remove these ads. To make it possible, access the menu, go down to Settings, select Privacy and Security, Site Settings, and in Permissions, choose Notifications. Remove the junk sites if you find them on the list. So carefully, one by one, get rid of them from this list. I also recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching the system with its help to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.